Good morning. This is little Miss Marin at 8 weeks old, and she's just waking up, stretching, and she does crazy eyes sometimes, like that. Good morning. What are you doing? Yeah. Are you stretching? Say, oh, I'm stretching all my legs and my arms. Hi. What are you looking at when you do crazy eyes? Huh? Huh? Oh, hey. What you doing? What you doing? Oh, there you go. What are you looking at? You like your mobile? You like your mobile? Yes. Are you going to smile for me? You can smile for me? I see that smile. I see that smile. Are you going to smile? Yeah. Come on. Come on. Give me a good smile. I see that smile. What you looking at? Oh. I see that smile. Are you gonna smile? Are you gonna smile for me? Oh. All right, let's get you on the changing table.